Hi everybody, this is Jessica Winky with Blissful Prosperity, and I just got really inspired here in the middle of the night to talk to you about what it's like to really be free to be you and how it relates to a world change solution. So you see, for me, I started to realize that as I was sitting in my corporate job and thinking that I was really being powerful and inspiring people as the leader of training and development and consultant to the director, I realized that I had to cover up a lot of who I was in my true essence in order to have that position. And so, you know, it was really interesting because I just had a conversation with a person I'm renting out this really cool cottage from in Miami Beach, and she was telling me about how she is a teacher right now and she can't hardly, you know, get by with the salary that she has, so she started doing some rental properties and was looking for some additional sources of income. And so I actually started telling her about how I was a corporate trainer, and she said, wow, you know, I never would have guessed that now that I know you. And so I started telling her about what I used to do, and she said, wow, they let you have those earrings and stuff like that? And I was like, heck no, you know, I let myself come out and show my true essence of who I was to the world after I quit, because I couldn't actually be myself there. I couldn't talk about being vegan. I couldn't talk about, you know, inspiring people to be their best self and how that was going to relate to world change and why we need to focus on community and how come I believe that really growing and inspiring people from within is a world change solution. And I had to cover up my tattoo at work, and I couldn't really understand how to relate to people on a lot of the levels that they were talking to with each other, because I just wasn't in the same space. And so I had to cover up a lot of who I was, and I really wanted to share this message because I'm sure there's a lot of other people out there that have a vision for how to inspire people to be their true self, and I wanted to tell you how I think that can change the world. So if you look at Maslow's hierarchy of needs, we start at the very bottom level where you're basically forced to focus on things like taking care of your self survival first. And once you get past that, you're working on higher stages as you move upward. So I plan on actually inspiring people by showing them that they can quit their corporate jobs and make way more money than they did in the past, more than they ever thought was possible, because I'm seeing, you know, people around me doing it all the time. I mean, I was telling my my partner Philo, you know, how cool is it that we're hanging out with people that make $20,000 to $30,000 a month easy now? Like, that's our entire circle of friends, and how easy it was for them to do that. And so I just really wanted to, you know, explain how if you can show people that that's possible, it completely changes their paradigm. They have all their basic needs met. That allows them to move up to the next level where they start thinking about family. And then from the next level, then they're speaking about community, and from there then you can start focusing on changing the world. And so that's why I believe that when you can actually provide people a solution to actually take care of their basic needs first, then it inspires them to start to be able to be themselves, and that's going to transmute and transform the entire planet, because it's going to keep people from focusing on just meeting their basic needs, instead shifting that focus on a world level, and that's how we're going to get global change. So I hope that really resonated with some of you out there. I really appreciate you listening, so thank you so much. I love you. Have a great night, and check out any links below this video for more information. Alright guys, have a great night.